Assalamu alaikum. So dear students, today our class is about simple simultaneous equation of your textbook exercise 6.1 and the topics is elimination method. At first, I explain what is elimination method. Elimination means any one variable has to be eliminated. At first, I give you some example. For example, 2x plus 3y equal to 1 or 5 or 8. Again, 2x minus y equal to 6. Look at here. Here x variable and y variable. Here the coefficient of x is 2 and the coefficient of x is 2. Same coefficients. But here is not the same coefficients. It means in this method I have to make any one variable equal by multiplying any number, and then if the sign is positive then it will be subtracted, but if the two variable is one positive and one negative then it should be added in this way. So I will solve now one math, then it is very clear to you. According to your textbooks, math number 14, 2x plus 3y equals 7. This is equation 1, and 6x minus 7y equal to 5. This is equation number 2. So I have to solve it by elimination method. Elimination means any one variable has to be eliminated. Look at here. Here the coefficients of x is 2 and second equation coefficient is 6, but in y variable here coefficient is 3 and coefficient is 7. So I have to make equal any one variable. If I multiply equation 1 by 7, then it will be 3 7 the 21, and if I multiply equation 2 by 3, then also it will be 21. So 21y 21y, same coefficient and opposite sign, so it will be eliminated. So now multiply equation 1 and 2 by 7 and 3. Okay, so if I multiply equation 1 by 7, then new equation is formed. So 7 to the 14x plus 3 7s are 21y equal to 49. So this is a new equation number 3. Again, if I multiply equation 2 by 3, look at a 3 6 18x minus 21y equal to 15. This is equation number 4. Okay, so now adding the both equation. Why adding? Because they are the opposite side. So 21y 21 is omitted. So 8 4 12 that 2x equal to 64, or x equal to 64 by 32. Therefore x equal to 2. So I get the value x equal to 2. Now I apply x equal to 2 any one equation, either 1 or 2. Okay, so if I put the value of x in equation 1, then what will we get? Right here, putting the value of x in equation 1. Okay, so equation 1 here 2x, that means 2 into the value of x is 2 plus 3y is equal 7 or 2 to the 4 plus 3y equal to 7, or thrice y equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Therefore, the value of y equal to 3 by 3 equal to 1. So the required solution xy equal to 1. Now apply these two variable value in both equation 1 and 2, then your result will be justified. So hope you understand the math. Now I will solve the math number 17 because 15, 16 are the similar math. So I will go for math number 17, and it has to also solve by elimination method. So math number 17 is 4x minus thrice y equal to minus 1, and the second equation 3x minus twice y equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. So now at first decided which variable has to be eliminated. If I consider the y variable has to be considered, that means 3, it has to be multiplied by 2, and equation 2 has to be multiplied by 3. Now 4 to the 8x minus 3 to the 6y is equal to minus 2, and 3 is a 9x minus 6y is equal to 3 to the 0. So here another two equation is formed, equation 3 and 4. So now subtract 3 from 4. Okay, so 9x minus 6y equal to 0, and 8x minus 6y equal to minus 2. So 6y is omitted. Now the value of x is 2. Clear? Now apply the value of x in any one equation, either 1 or 2. Then we will get the value of y. Now putting the value of x equal to 2 in equation 1. Okay. So 4 into 2 minus thrice y equal to minus 1, or 4 to the 8. If I want convert here, then 1 equal to thrice y, or thrice y equal to 9, or y equal to 9 by 3 equal to 3. So in this way we get the two value. Required solution xy equal to 2, 3. So in this way we can solve the math number 17. Now math number 19, because 18, 17 are the similar math. So now I try to solve math number 19 by elimination method. So math number 19 is fractional math. X by 2 plus y by 2 equal to 3. This is equation 1. Then x by 2 minus y by 2 equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Observe here. Here y variable, the coefficient of y variable is same. So, and the sign is opposite. So if we added these two equations, then it will be omitted or eliminated. Then x by 2 plus x by 2 equal to 4, or x by 2 LCS 2. So x plus x equal to 4 or 2x by 2 equal to 4. Therefore x equal to 4. Clear? Now putting the value of x in equation number 1. So if I put the value of x equal to 4 in equation number 1, then I get 4 by 2 plus y by 2 equal to 3, or 2 to the 4. So y by 2 equal to 3 minus 2, or y by 2 equal to 1. Therefore y equal to 2. So dear students, you see here the two variable values obtained. Therefore required solution xy equal to 4, 2. So 19 number math also is solved. Now math number 20. So math number 20 is x variable and y variable, but the coefficient is a and b. So look at here, math number 20, the first equation is given x plus ay, x plus ay equal to b, and ax minus by equal to c. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Look at here, if we decided that we want to eliminate y variable, here the coefficient of y is a and coefficient of y is b. So I have to make that equally. So if I multiply equation 1 by b and equation 2 by a, then the coefficient of y will be equal. How? You have to multiply all of the variable with b. So multiply equation 1 and 2 by b and a, we get bx plus aby equal to b square. Again a square x minus aby equal to ac. Look at here, y variable is same coefficient ab, so this is omitted. Now a square x plus bx equal to ac plus b square. Here x is common term, so x a square plus b equal to ac plus b square. Therefore the value of x equal to ac plus b square divided by a square plus b. Clear? Now you can apply the value in equation 1, then we will get the value of y. Now putting the value of x in equation 1. So value of a is equal to ac plus b square divided by a square plus b plus ay equal to b, or convert this one here, ay equal to b minus ac plus b square divided by a square b. Here again ay equal to, make here LCM. LCM is a square plus b, so multiply this one, a square b plus b square minus ac minus b square. So b square is omitted. Then come here, ay equal to here a square b minus ac divided by a square plus b, or value of y. Here a is multiplied, so it will be divided here, and here a is common, so AB minus C. Okay, A is omitted, therefore the value of y equal to AB minus C divided by A square plus B. So the required solution, answer, xy equal to AC plus B square divided by A square plus B and AB minus C divided by A square plus B. So in this way we solve the math number 20. After that we have remaining only some math. Math number 21 is the same, 22 also the same. Now I will solve math number 23. So math number 23, here is a fractional math. So math number 23 is x by A plus y by B equal to 2 by A plus 1 by B. This is equation number 1. Again, x by B minus y by A equal to 2 by B minus 1 by A. Look at here. This is y variable, this is y variable, but the coefficient of y is 1 by B and 1 by A. If I multiply this one by B and this one by A, then the y variable coefficient will be equal. So we can write like this: bx by A plus y by B into B equal to B into 2 by A plus 1 by B. This is new equation, equation number 3. Again, if I multiply 2 by A, then ax by B minus y by A into A equal to A into 2 by B minus 1 by A. This is equation number 4. Look at here, the same. Y omitted. So, if I added these two equations, we get bx by A plus ax by B equal to B into twice A plus 1 by B plus A into twice B minus 1 by A. Now here make the LCM AB, so A omitted, B square x plus A square x. Here also make the LCM AB, so twice B plus A. Okay, same way make LCM AB, so 2A minus B. Here A omitted, here B and B omitted. Okay, now I will go for next line. From here we get, here is x common, so if we take x as common, then A square plus B square divided by AB, and also here if I make the LCM here AB, then I will get B into twice B plus A plus A into twice A minus B. Look at here, all the coefficients are equal, so AB is omitted, so x of A square plus B square is equal to twice B square plus AB plus twice A square minus AB. AB is omitted. Here if I take 2 as common, so A square plus B square, here x into A square plus B square. So the value of x equal to 2. Okay, now I apply the value of x equal to 2 in equation 1. So right here putting the value of x in equation 1, we get, look at here, 2 by a, because x equal to 2, plus y by b equal to 2 by a plus 1 by b, or y by b equal to 2 by a plus 1 by b minus 2 by a. So plus 2 by a minus 2 by a omitted. Again, y by b equal to 1 by b. Therefore, y equal to 1. So, required solution xy equal to 1. So now you apply the value xy in equation 1, 2. Your math will be justified.